Alright, so here's the Linux unit again. And then there's some more. Alright, this one is from 1996. It's a Linux Industrial. 1996, I'm not sure the nominal tonnage, but I'm pretty sure it's big. Some more right there I can't really get to. I'm pretty sure that wasp nest is still next to those ones. We'll take a look at the others. Alright, so here's that Bryant unit. Not running either. I know for sure it's a Bryant. One ICP. It's got a scroll compressor in it. And a sight glass screen, so that's good. So in 2011, so I think it's a 13 SEER or 11 SEER. I think this is a 3-ton. So, let's go look at the others. Right here, so here's the other two. Here's the new Carrier air conditioner. Emerson scroll compressor. Then here's this older Carrier. If anyone can tell me what kind of compressor that is, please let me know. It's probably like a reciprocating or something. Is it Carly? Is it Carly? Carlyle? I'm not sure. This one's from 2003. It's a 3-ton. Looks like. This one's a brand new one. This one's cool. This one's a 4-ton. 410A system. 2018. And it's 42,000 BTU. Big unit. And then there's another Carrier over there. I guess there's these ones. Alright, serial 2003. 38,000 BTUs, I think. Whoa! Look at that compressor, man. And then here's the other one. And then here's this big one right here. It has a reciprocating as well. A Carlyle or something. This one's a 2003. That's a 5-ton. It's a 5-ton Carrier unit. GE fan motor. One of these big commercial ones. This is at a church too. Right next to my school, which I just got out of school. Alrighty. Looks like we're done here. So there's these Carriers. This one has the black painted coils. It's a Gentech motor. I like this fan blade a lot. This fan blade they use on ICPs a lot. And this fan blade they use on Daytons too. But they're a little bit of a different model for Daytons. And these ones are off, aren't they? This is a brand new electrical box. That one probably replaced another Carrier. It was probably a 5-ton. But these are off, I guess. There's a high and low pressure switch for this one. This one's brand new. And this one's from 2003, like I said. The fan blade spins, just blow it. Alright, so there you guys go. Units at the church.